Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, and this is our latest car into stock. It is a Jaguar XF Estate Sportbrake, a host of extras. It's got front park distance control. It's the facelift model with the LED running daylights. It's in fantastic condition. I've got rear privacy glass, rear park distance control. Has been really well cared for, this car has. It's had the cam belt change. Even the protector to protect the carpet has been carpeted. Fantastic. The rear parcel shelf there. Electric tailgate. Full charcoal black leather interior, lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. It's done 101,683 miles. Electric steering wheel, all the air vents open and close when requested. Show you that again. Got satellite navigation, climate control, satellite navigation, a full media pack. All in lovely condition. Cup holders, USB and AUX, cruise control, glove box, the glove locking wheel nut, the handbooks are all in there. Really has been looked after. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.